Hey guys, I'm sorry. You guys just left my class and my son's doctor's appointment doctor's office called me. And they had to change his appointment for Thursday, so I'm actually not going to be here for your class at all. So what you need to do is you need to get in Blackboard, which you should already be there if you're watching this video. And you're going to go ahead and take that quiz like I told you, pop quiz. So you're going to take the quiz. Once you get done with the quiz, you guys have got enough work to do. Read the chapters. Look at the board back here. You can see behind me. Get the vocab done for chapter 50 if you don't have it done. Log in to the NHA Now portal. There are several of you that were not logged in. Angela Gonzalez, Travana Gooch, Mo, AA, Cindy Perez, Minuet Talley, Destiny, Jennifer Aguilera. All of you do not have an account in the NHA Now portal. Those of you that do have an account, please help them. Make sure you select your organization as St. Thomas Scholars. Get all that stuff done. Then you can start working on your Rebecca stuff too. You guys have plenty of things to do. I should not, the quiz is the most important thing. Get that done. And again, this is for me trying to figure out where you are. So please do your best. Don't cheat off of one another, because I need to know what you know, where you are right now. Okay? Any questions? You guys know how to contact me. My son's doctor's appointment's at 8:45 in the morning. So if I don't answer quickly, it's because I'm there. It's a very important doctor's appointment. I'll tell you about it when I get back. Okay? Have a great day.